we do usually seems complicated and complex. A huge amount of information, analysis, and unconscious decisions often make details dictate what we do. In the modern world of data, it is important to be able to deal with excess information and adapt to the changing situation as quickly as possible. Dynamism, synergy, and results define our view on creating solutions that help you to notice changes. We have a lot of information to process and analyze, but are there any production companies that can fully use this data for that is, their clients' benefit? Can the products that accompany us every day helping us with ordinary and unusual tasks be better? Our world is made of elements made in factories. We don't have to think about how it was created. This is taken care of by the professionals from the manufacturing industry and IT companies that understand the continuous nature and inevitability of change.
Basic activities of DSR is supporting manufacturers using IT solutions. We support efficiency in the production based on our experience of our team of programmers, developers and consultants. We ensure our customers about the efficiency in the production.
Is it possible to provide effective IT support for manufacturing companies in these fast-changing times? Does the cooperation of an experienced team of experts, consultants, project managers, analysts, programmers adequately facilitate the inevitable changes? At the beginning of its operation 15 years ago, DSR carried out a major undertaking, which was a project to implement the DSR 4FACTORY production scheduling system at a factory of an international food company in China. Everything went very fast from there. Our first independent project, ERP 4FACTORY, the introduction of the proprietary CFC 4FACTORY application and obtaining the status of an exclusive Polish distributor of the solutions of QAD, an American provider of ERP solutions. The following years brought further development, changes for the better, cooperation with new partners, and hiring new employees. Even a small office in the suburbs has turned into a spacious office in the European Center of New Technologies in Wrocław. DSR 4FACTORY is a very good example of combining knowledge and experience of people with the latest IT technology. We create and develop tools that help manufacturing companies save millions of dollars to better meet the requirements of the competitive market and new expectations of the changing world. With this in mind, we have been working on developing the right IT solutions for production for over a decade. We are glad that the DSR 4FACTORY supports manufacturing companies in implementing the idea of Industry 4.0 and Smart Factory.
DSR 4FACTORY is for manufacturers, is every single DSR's activity on the market.
The DSR 4FACTORY offer is a unique combination of modern software and comprehensive IT services supporting efficient management of production. We have carried out several hundred projects to implement IT solutions at international and Polish manufacturing companies, which achieve a total of over $65 billion in revenue per year. Among them are companies from such industries as food, automotive, or industrial products.
Industry 4.0 is 4FACTORY, 4FACTORY is Industry 4.0. There is no doubt. We deliver IT solutions for manufacturers and we, using 4FACTORY modules, we support them to transform to Industry 4.0 world.
Industry 4.0 is still somehow a surreal concept, but it is another change that is inevitable. Stanisław Lem, a well-known Polish science fiction writer, wrote in 1961 in the book Return from the Stars about crystal touchscreens allowing for reading books. Sounds familiar? Industry 4.0 becomes a fact. It creates many new development opportunities for everyone. Being aware of changes that the production needs to meet the requirements of customers, that is, us in general, is common, but only a few know how to do it. DSR 4FACTORY and maybe Factory 5, 6, 7, 8. We are looking forward to doing business with you.